No shedia abro first no na ako for the time no na ukita bro 100 baza ay 1 billion wutime totata ukita bro 200 baza 2 billion and then ukita bro 100 baza ay 400 million maybe okada kuku mahama kambu no kwantime to
Elbow for aha, Ghana Sem TV. Your best sir, say, move subscribe to the channel and move from my drink chair, I will comment section. Now, I'm sure you know.
That's it. What di no shedia abro first no na ako for the time no na ukita bro 100 baza ay 1 billion wutime totata ukita bro 200 baza 2 billion and then ukita bro 100 baza ay 400 million maybe okada kuku mahama kambu no kwantime to endimento we and then ukita bro 50 bars ay say 200 million abobo ya kwantime to motor care kwantime to adai bone be na ya mti ya mo pa kesi koku akuafo no enne mo ani wo mo so ende metaka ye metaka se Ghana no ya ye dobu ne bees ni nkate ne hwa wam ye ne kita Ghana no ene na ye do mu didi me ne mo kwatena parliament a mo hyemra mo jim no ena ade bende yen ye ode ni wo ye boy mo ye sukufo jimina se ya na fo ye saso na mo ye hwe no mentality, no agree, no concentrate. Jimina and there who could about 20 bars, maybe motor quantity 20 bars in the question. Fancy 20 bars 40 million. 20 bars. And the fact 20 bars is 200 million. Abro. And the beans, first the beans, you could getting to buy 20 bars, and I'm getting to almost 600 million, 30 million. Now I'm 600 million, and there be 20 bars. Tata Emma is required to be. And then before about Tata, the MSC motors in the cars, no, the Tatas, no, 1 billion plus. But now I'm blue now, compared with 100 bars, and I 200 bars at your pa Joma May, I'm paying Joma. And dear pa tuturu pa na upase we ya kuafoi bone be pa na ya yo bone be aku for the time the business to 30 million abroto 12 million 1,002 unkwara ubaya usima tu bodamu me ma kuafoi ni sika masana ko kra bro sa baka ho na ya kuafoi na ye wo ira ha ye dono ya ton ya bro 4 million and then because a busy beans 10 million would a can talk would a can to 20 million and they say no bone na opa na see opa ya mbwana ya kuafo no bone na opa ya so opa ya mbwana bone be papa ne ya yo ade and they Ghana na yanka ho biana Ghana na yese ye yanka ho yese mo de mra mo ba sha ebe feba mo our parliament ho ana mo ye de mo hye ba mera mo ba sha ebe febe like Ghana for in fact ye hiafo no da be mo ndwene ye ho ba do abato tam da mo bo suenti mo ba mu minamu nsuo mu photos kwa enye atma ba ye na ase abasere kukurumotewe she wo ba fu player ay kukurumotewe o as wo president wo no ministers ne wo MPs ni na wo DC ni na ani mo assemblyman na aye we na mo post no and the mo ye biribia mo ndwene sebi na nyam ponche na to aba na mamo nipa da sani adai mo vieta ya u president ye tua oka saloon car V8 soldier for bon ho by police for bon ho by toto ni bon ho by still now ye sika sa mo fon ya gbama so ada problem mon tum nyama mon man nyama an yes na she kwefo yes like yes yes can timi sit down ya ento car so ye de maybe ento 500 million car couple I problem my say mo de adma mo boy ya ebe fiba mo Mon kwa mo Google am say mon kwa ma hye nyama begum mo man nyama abro ne bi se nto hye ye de ma enye sika ni kwase ye ne mo ye de eye pe chicha for so mo ntwia mo upa ba adwuma for panipa we hie na chicha ni before so bodan man pere be bo Jesus no enam chicha ni ade chicha mon kwa na mu deserve anya sa mon kwa na mu deserve ye no ye nsan fata mo chicha ni se ucha de twa waji sa ucha de chai ai waji sa say 20 million busumu sumba no ende wo ha dan wa wuru ma say 50 million 10 million o wayere ukita nkwala wa ha dan light bill water bill ubedidi ebe asombo boda no muji from 100 million 200 million wo da salon kam empia ya mo sika se fako ya kuro mo adwuma ya ma oka ya ti oka bibia wo ya common phone so mo asa agi na mo asa adi ebe na mu wu osoro mo be wuda aya bia wo de mo ye de mo hwe Ibrahim Traore nana mo hwe machine sa wa kwasesa abafa Ghana haya di kolokuro mu mo hwe na mo hwe nyansa mo nya bia mo ye de mo hwe no na mo ye de na mo hwe nyansa na mo bu amambu ni ye na mo ja jimi ha se so do kolokuro akoye no dum so nse mo te Ghana ha ne sika mo na mo akotna na mo chaji no adwen no mputuduma obi awie sika kontina o billions e di akotna brochiri na obi ti man chi no me na manya me sika to me red ato me wi anom no wonni ba bia wo sina akwa chi ni pa na tum ada ya wo no red wo se me say me obushani wo na ohwe me wu asi usan wonni me he mo aja eno obi akodi oba wa 18 years ka 8 years ko oba na ko ambira kan bedi no mo aja eno no sika ni na o wi sika ka siga sika te pade no mo aja me ma kodi 18 years ni no mo si ma tumra mo ko chi me nso na mu ye fisi mo si mi nko di mi nko be ma to oba nko di nyanko ba to anya bia oba wa kwate ana won so na tweba na twetwe na tenti tata na edebe jime ma mbo ne muto mu se mu di mi ma furu ya kase se nyansa di nyansa mu nibi jimye nkoa ampa ye sika ni bia na de ajimi because of am brand we jimi mra hye na muto na mo hye we ba yenji tum part yenji mundi DC MP2 minister do vice minister to ana president so do vice president to ansa na aso ya so samo jina se sika na ebo modam ye mbo odam se ukotu bodam ni a dam wa bo ba ne nche se wondi nkwa asem mo hwe mbum man no ene hia enye tumu nti na eto aba mama mo ho no entamra na munya mfam ba wo se mu wu osoro ene che se sase chiri wo si kantanka mo ne mo mpeni fo atopa kase ewu eye good idea pa ye se bwani a wu dwene no ni Yakobɔ di ka twi o sase before wa wu se mo si mo adwene nya adwuma bini na mudi mo adwene nya ani fie Ghana ha nkwana mo sora nkwasia mbra hyenkwa na mo hye mo mpanifo no mo sora na mo ba ye ntimamfo no ne yakuafo na ye ndimi ye de ya nhwe adwuma ya mpam ya yehwe akuadwuma ne ye sanse ye akuadwuma ye didi ye so ena ebe ye esetima top rot ne asifie no mo si muntu niamu muboto mubogunu na motontantantan ana wakasa aboasa krom ha Ghana ha youth yendime nya sika enhua de enko skunte ebinim ho tom ho gugalam se mo se mo kotu agudie apesika ade abom bra na mumu ba we bia memba gugalam se pompofi ba we afisi galam se fo so na to aba ma so na was na koyi sami jamfi se won ba to gold na nka du gold na nka wokokoto wo ba boto no anya bia sika na amuda man se won to gold no na galamsey fo na wo pam mo se omo nja galamsey no anya bia no bi osi ebini na won fa sika na nkoto ana won fa nkoto anwea ana se won fa nkoto abo me bisa question tese mu fa koti kwa beso na mo chinchim safo no omo njan kwetena fie na mo ye de na mo mfa mo party mba wo jo ma wo kana wo nu Ibrahim ta Ibrahim mama wo nye galamsey sa na MPP for ba musu begunso na cha wuntumi ni ayi kede de mutu na mo omo de omo ye galamsey ele de mu hu na wusu ba ele wusu wa jai na wo chi amanfo de HT as a party wo ni betina 4 years aso se wa ho na mo ni politics say ya na 4 years akoko na muso da mu yesika ba akọ tena brochire abie ndwuma wo ho no na ma batna se akro no begu nti se upam galamsey fo no ebe na kro not ma jai omo njina kwa se enwi amanfo sika omo nwi njia kwa enrobo na ka mi amanhua adwuma na mato abana ma na me so na me de beye ma adwuma no upam anka me ye den awose mu kwa wose nka me kun no me ji sika no because uto no wonni mfaso because mu bia mu ji sika na mo ko bobusia ba ma batana mu adi mo mfo nya adwuma ayan kwasa sam mo nja sa sudanfo no hwese mbu man no ene hu na hia yeze mo kwatena parliament na mo num tia kase na mo tena ho ye na mo che sika MPB enu won da V8 sika ya nkwala sika endime ya kura bi kwan ya mo V8 bosome MPB ho wo je sika ebur 100 million minister Jibusa ya toka mo ye twa oka doctor uyara isa wa doctor ya de wo shasho free ni sense win this ya mbasa obo discount ya mo sa we nyina amofie e de ye tax money da mo se foko wayi ukuro kokoya mpuntujuma wosa baya wasa betnaso wosa wakunkon mu ya ubu MPB na oba wina fa wo wina ba wina wo nyanya pe na France ase de ya kase wo lusu pie no we tuntum no wo fo no wo yi bones because Ghana sika na be dini nde wo nya post no wona na wo fo no tuntum ba force disika ba ye krom kwan ya wo suma ma ba ma ji ma matnaso na yentimamfo ya yetinkuru ase ne ye bre oba nyim kwale wo de pie hospital kwa na ayase ukọ hospital kwa nu aduro mo nhwe eno ho nsoro se wose ye dwuma bi pala kwa ye kotwe ye kokwa na ma twe pala mo se kokoto nso mo se nsoro se ye adwuma mo da mo gwa mo yara mo to flight e da kwa brochi mo kosam ho yare ne yentin ha nwe pala no to pa kokko no hospital mu.
And also contest near call in 2023 e ko ye flag bearer no. It was very divisive, with tension and all that. Ama yake cancer 755 ama campaign here no kra no edume bi na ye ne nkofo nsema mo keka fire ho no na NDC for a play no TV so. And some of our own MPP people were actively working against our win in 2024. So yes, it was difficult. Some of our own people.
Enye kasa kekese de na wo kan na mum na binum ye adwuma pa to make sure that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Exactly, including some sponsoring the then opposition party against us.
MPP for be.
Yeah, exactly.
Co-sponsor NDC.
I'm telling you, actively. It was a difficult election. That's what I say. It's all because of how we conduct our primary. Me my understanding is say me say my core primary a lose pay. We core primary now lose by party in shisha no. We be tired you know but it be no montias yes we know na they are sabotaging.
For no more contest in be for na sponsor opposition against one contest in be. They were part of the contest.
Well, I mean, I'm not talking about the presidential candidates, the aspirants. I'm saying some individuals in our party. Of course, they supported some other aspirants. For me, I had a call, for instance, from a known activist of the NDC, telling me, say, mentioning people who are coming to the then opposition leader when it comes to Kumasi. Now, omode sika, Breno.
MPP4.
It's sad. And today, some of these things are sad, but say, but Dr. Baumia, Nyadintino, Yanfa, no, that candidate, that is not good. If you are an MPP person, no matter the situation, my party, right or wrong, you have to support an MPP candidate. I'm not supporting other candidates, but should they emerge, I have no choice. I will work hard for whoever is selected. It cannot be the case. He say, what there? So Unipa Ama now there Ubofu. Now you are actively campaigning against. It's a day happy pie. And today some of these people have come back say, me for Baumia, my name for Omoimbra. Now I will call out Uko company tia no, Uko Tuesika editia no. What's the wasaba? Say, young fan, that can get him. I don't do my politics like that.